Throughout the body, tiny fragments of DNA circulate freely in biological fluids such as blood plasma, serum, urine, and cerebrospinal fluid. Because these fragments are not enclosed within a cell membrane, they are collectively known as cell-free DNA, or cfDNA. The process of cfDNA extraction is a critical preliminary step that enables highly sensitive analysis for a wide range of clinical and research applications. Early cancer screening can be done by analyzing cfDNA for tumor-associated mutations, providing a non-invasive way to detect disease at its earliest stages. When cfDNA is extracted from a blood sample, it can be sequenced to measure how much DNA comes from each chromosome. By comparing these proportions, scientists can identify subtle chromosomal differences, an approach widely used in non-invasive prenatal testing to screen for conditions like trisomy 21, 18, and 13. Because cfDNA exists at very low levels, recovering enough material for downstream applications like NGS or digital PCR can be challenging, often requiring large sample volumes. Cell lysis during collection releases long genomic DNA that can overshadow the short cfDNA fragments researchers need. Many traditional extraction methods show size bias, leading to loss of these critical short fragments. Delays in processing blood samples can cause cellular breakdown and cfDNA degradation, compromising results. To address the challenges of cfDNA recovery from blood, MP Biomedicals developed the Spin-Easy cfDNA kit for plasma and serum. Designed specifically for blood-derived samples, this kit maximizes the capture of short cfDNA fragments typically found in plasma and serum. Its optimized chemistry delivers high recovery even from low-volume draws, while selective purification reduces gDNA interference from lysed blood cells. But cfDNA challenges don't end with blood. In urine, cfDNA is even more fragmented and present at extremely low levels. To address this, MP Biomedicals developed the Spin-Easy DNA kit for urine, optimized for the unique characteristics of urinary cfDNA. It efficiently captures highly degraded fragments, supports large input volumes, and removes inhibitors commonly found in urine. With high recovery and clean eluates, this kit enables sensitive downstream assays for non-invasive diagnostics, oncology, and biomarker discovery. To overcome the time sensitivity challenge in cfDNA workflows, the MagBeads fast-circulating DNA kit provides a rapid magnetic bead extraction method. It shortens processing time, minimizes delays that cause degradation, and delivers high-quality cfDNA ready for downstream analysis. Paired with automation systems like MPure 32 or MagFlex 96, it further accelerates throughput and delivers consistent, high-quality results across large sample batches. With MP Biomedicals Spin-Easy cfDNA kit for plasma and serum, Spin-Easy DNA kit for urine, and MagBeads fast-circulating DNA kit, researchers in liquid biopsy, NIPT, oncology, and immunology can overcome cfDNA extraction hurdles. Get high yields of short, pure fragments from challenging samples with less gDNA background, faster processing, and reliable, scalable workflows. From early cancer detection to prenatal screening and biomarker discovery, MP Biomedicals helps turn fragile cfDNA into confident, actionable results. Choose MP Biomedicals for cfDNA you can trust. Visit us at www.mpbio.com.